to Color Rhymes. Today we're going to draw a super colorful fish. It's going to be so much fun. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more amazing drawings. Let's get started. Look at this fish coming to life! Isn't it fun to draw the tail? Let's make it super wiggly and cute together. Let's give our fish a cute little eye! Now it can see where it's swimming! You're doing amazing, little artist! Can you guess which color I'll use next? Maybe red? Or should we try something even brighter? Let's do it together! Grab your color and let's go! Now we're using orange. It's a warm and happy color, perfect for our fishy friend. Time for yellow. So bright and happy, like sunshine. Let's fill it in gently. Now let's use green. Such a lovely and fresh color. It makes everything feel alive. Light blue time. So calm and pretty, like the sky. Let's add pink. So cute and fun, just like candy. Colorful fish is all done. Look how beautiful it turned out. Did you have fun? I sure did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're the first to see our next video. Bye-bye, little artists. See you soon.